In the previous video, we saw how to post in Facebook groups and how to take the data in the Excel. And now I'm going to show in this video, there will be a little bit of challenges when you post in groups where you need admin approval. So how you are going to track that in Excel, I'm going to show you that. And also I'm going to show you how you are going to post in Twitter. Okay, first in this drive I made some more changes. As of now, yes, one Excel is for me, one for Nandini, one for Deepali. And this Facebook groups you need not open as of now. That's I'm just tracking all those things together. The recent one I have added here is content for posting. So I'll be sharing the same thing in WhatsApp also. So as of now, this is the content we are going to share for the first week. So yesterday I had only this one line of description. Now I have added almost entire thing. So you have the first line of description and Facebook page link. The same photo we are going to, the same image we are going to promote. And I have taken the content from the image, and we have the contact information, and finally the hashtags. So this is the exact content. So all you're going to do is just copy this content and you're going to paste it. So first let's open the group example. Let me take my group. And what we do, as soon as you log in, you open, first thing what we'll do is log in into Facebook. So this is the order you are going to do. So this is the order we'll be doing. We'll open the Google Drive every day, check for content, but as of now it's not needed, the content checking. I'll be putting it in WhatsApp, but it's best practice if you want to do that regularly. Logged in. Now what we are doing, we are taking the content from here. Before taking the content, we need to decide which group we are going to post. So as soon as we log in Facebook, like I said in previous video, first we'll check for any notification, any groups join request is there. I mean join approved is there. So these were the groups approved: Nanganallu group, Dindagal shopping. I've already updated the Excel some time back. So once you have updated that here, for example, I have updated here a few. You can see the dates here. I've updated. Now I'm going to select which group I'm going to post. So these two groups I've already posted because last posted is there yesterday, and also this group. So immediate next group which has been approved. So this is the immediate next group which has been approved. Date of join is there. So I'm going to take this link, open it. Same way you will be taking filing. So this is there, and the next, this one we have already posted. So what you'll be doing, you'll be taking other four and you'll be opening. For demo purpose, let me show only one here. And you'll copy the content, come here, paste. You are not going to modify anything. I have kept everything formatting ready. Just click post. That's it. Now what we see, it says once you click, once you do this, this is what it shows. Your post has been submitted and pending approval. Actually, I am trying this for the second time for the demo purpose. So now what you will do, you'll click this manage your pending post, and this is the post we have posted. But the link what you get here will not be the exact link of this, because this pending is a common thing. How many ever the post you have, for example this post, let me click just now and see if there is any change here. Nothing changes there. Even if I have 2 posts or 3 posts, how many of the post here, there will not be any change here. However, copy this and keep it there. So what we are going to do, we'll come here. So here we posted today, and here what you do, mark it as this group itself should be marked as admin approval group. And in the links, so these two places you are going to update. In the links here, you are going to paste the link and the text content and today's date, serial number 4, admin approval, we will mark it as pending, so that we have a track. You have to open it the next day or after that and check whether it has been approved, and then you will take the link and update it over here. So this is step 1. Now what's the change I have made here is, yesterday we had in the previous video we had only online crochet classes. It was just for test purpose, but now what we are going to do, the same content we are going to put it in Twitter. So that's the reason I have modified the content here. Let me show that. First let's log into Twitter. So as of now Facebook posting is over. Likewise you will be doing in 5 groups. You will update there. What are the things you will update? You will update here last posted and the content, and also the links over here. That's it. With this it's over. Now you can see I have added a third column, which should be a standard content like the contact number and also few hashtags. So let me explain you what is the reason for this. Now let's log into Twitter. So Twitter, you are not going to take much links. You are going to just post. I mean, like Facebook groups, you are not going to track so much of links. So now we are ready to post here. You click home. You got the tweet. So now what you are going to do? You will select all the three columns all together. Let's see what happens here, and you post it here. That's it. Now after this, what you have to do? After the description and before the link, you have to leave a space. That's one. Second, again after the link, before the text, you have to leave a space. If needed, maybe you can give here also. I think it's not needed, but to be on safer side, you can give. Once it's done, click tweet. That's it. So it has come, and it will open the thumbnail also from Facebook, whatever we have posted there. And now how you will take the link? Based on your browser, in some browser you will get the link option here itself. If not, you have to click the date, and you will get the link. Now you will bring and paste that link over here. That's it. So this is what you are going to do in Twitter. Same way, if you have completed 5 groups, then you will take the next one. So here this description and hashtag is going to be the same throughout this week. This FB link alone is going to change. So what you can do, if you want, you can copy the entire thing and keep it for next 5 days, 10 days also. If at all, as long as you don't get confused, you can just keep it here. So every day once you post in Facebook, just bring the link alone over here. So now what we are going to do, second one, come here, post it. After the description, leave a space. After the link, leave a space. Here let me not give the space before the hashtag. Let me see what happens. Yes, everything working fine, but this space is mandatory after the description before the link. So now you will take the link from here, or if you want to post all the 5 and then take the link after that also, you can do that. A1 space, A1 space. Next, actually this one I cannot post because it shows the one that was showing manage. Yeah, the fourth one. Let me show you. This one you need not post since it's showing pending post because it will not open the thumbnail. So you can ignore this for now. So what you will do here, these two will be updating the Twitter. This will not be updated. So tomorrow when you log in, you will be checking this post, and if it has been done, you will add it to the Twitter and also you'll add the link. I hope I am clear with this. So now what I am going to do, I am going to take the Twitter link. You can open it in a new window. So click the 2s and in 2 seconds. Let's come to back, and this is the last tweet. So this is how you take it. Or if you are getting confused, then and there after you tweet one thing, just click that and open it, and then once again come here. You not come to home, you can just click this tweet over here. That's it. So this is what we are going to do. Now what is the change I have done here? Major change for Twitter purpose, I have added this contact and hashtag here, and also description I have elaborated a bit so that once it comes to the Twitter, it has a proper description. So it has at least one line of description, and then the Facebook link, and then the contact and the hashtag. That's it. If you have any doubt, you can contact me in WhatsApp. Thank you.